This message goes out to President Cyril Ramaphosa, to the leaders of the ANC, the DA, EFF, IFP, Action SA, and all the other political leaders. GBV is inexcusable, but child rape is beyond words, and this scourge is increasing in our country. Some of you may have read our post on Sunday about a young 7-year-old. Now, this child was brutally raped at knife point by a non-family member. Case number for this rape took hours, in fact a couple of days, to get a case number, and even then the police didn't look to do anything about arresting this man, and there was overwhelming evidence. After a local NPO got involved and really pushed the case, they required that the child go with them to identify the rapist. Later in the police station, they actually took the rapist past the child, the innocent child, sitting there, and later she was vomiting as a result of the experience. There was a relief that this rapist was now imprisoned. But 4 weeks later, in the bail hearing, the magistrate granted bail to this man who had brutally raped this 7-year-old child. Had no verified bail address. The investigating officer couldn't verify it. The phone number given was incorrect, and he had no formal work, and yet was given bail. The mother and child had to flee the area they lived in and go and stay somewhere else. Unfortunately, they couldn't stay there permanently and have gone back to the residence, and the child now has to be escorted everywhere. On further research, it was uncovered that this magistrate had granted bail to other rapists and even murderers, and there had been complaints by senior prosecution and by colonels, and it appears that nothing had been done about this. I have seen the minutes of those meetings. On a formal complaint being lodged with the courts, with the head of the courts, the local courts here, this response was given. It might be that, and this magistrate's name, has granted bail in certain cases, and that has not gone down well with the victims and other affected people in the present case. This is not about things going down well with victims. This is about justice. This is about human rights, and children have rights. It is incredible how few cases are actually reported at the police station. Those cases that are reported, only 20% of those make it into court. And of the total number reported, it's less than 6% apparently. I've heard different statistics, but less than 6% that actually are charged. This is a crisis, and I want to call on every leader in this country, on President Cyril Ramaphosa, on every political leader and every church leader to make a stand against this. It's not about wonderful, powerful sounding words, and we've heard those against GBV, especially in these 16 days of activism. This is about action. Why not start? Why not start with this one case, the 7-year-old? Let's make a difference. Let's start and make this country a place which is safe for our children. Thank you.